Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to check your download history on the Google Play Store. Whether you want to revisit old apps or track your purchases, knowing how to access your download history can be really helpful. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store first. Unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store app. This can usually be found in your app drawer or home screen. Step 2. Access the menu once the Play Store app is open. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the menu where you can manage your account, settings, and more. Step 3. Go to Manage Apps and Device. From the menu, tap on Manage Apps and Device. This will take you to a page with details about your installed apps and other device management options. Step 4. Open the Manage tab under the Manage Apps and Device section. You will see the Manage tab. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. View your installed apps. Once you are in the Manage tab, you will see a list of your currently installed apps. From here you can check your apps by category, update, or uninstall them. To find your past downloads, tap on the Not Installed tab on the top. Step 6. Filter by Not Installed. The Not Installed section will show all the apps you've previously downloaded, but are not currently installed on your device. You can easily scroll through this list to view your download history. Step 7. Access Google Play Order History for purchased apps. If you're specifically looking for paid apps or purchases, you can go to your Google Play account settings. Tap on your profile icon again, and then select Payments and Subscriptions. From there, tap on Budget and History, where you'll find a list of all your transactions and purchases made on the Play Store. Step 8. Reinstall or manage apps. Once you've located the apps you want, you can tap the download button next to any app to reinstall it, or manage your apps further by tapping on each app for more options. That's it. Now you know how to easily access your Google Play Store download history and manage your apps and purchases. Don't forget to like the video if you found this helpful and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.